Check this out. Front sidewalk, foundation planting, landscape lighting. This is stuff we do all the time, except the difference is this customer is away on vacation with his wife in Scotland. And he asked me if I could get this project done in a 5-day window so that he could surprise his wife when they came back from vacation. They're coming back tomorrow night. Isn't that cool? So she's gonna come home expecting their old stamped concrete sidewalk, and she's gonna be welcomed by this. We've got the landscape lighting. I've got it set so it goes on at dusk and off at dawn. We brought in some new plants, reused some of their existing, because he told me she really liked some of the stuff they had. But isn't this cool? Husbands, wives, mental note, you could do this, and we could get it done for you.